Crystal Pool 2024 highlights another year of excellence, innovation, and craftsmanship at Crystal Pool. From elegant mosaic pools to luxurious jacuzzis and relaxing steam rooms, we've turned visions into reality, one project at a time. Each design, a blend of art and engineering, featuring custom waterfalls, state-of-the-art filtration systems, and premium finishes built to last. Across homes, clubs, and resorts, Crystal Pool continues to set new standards in pool design and wellness experiences. Because when it comes to pool perfection, we don't just build pools, we create lifestyle statements. Crystal Pool, Pakistan's trusted name in swimming pools and wellness solutions.